How to view UID in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can look out at your UID and your player ID. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm in my home page. Here on the left top, you can see the profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So here, these are the profile settings. Here you'll be able to see your name and different information about your profile. Now here on the right top, there's a drop down of settings. Tap on settings, and on the first option, tap on UID. So basically this is the UID that is available. Now here you can even see a copy button. Simply tap on copy. So the UID has been copied and you can share it with other players and friends. So this is the ID with which others can add you. So you can use it for that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.